Hi everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to design a surgical stent digitally. I promise, it's super easy. First, you'll need to install MeshMixer. It's a free software developed by Autodesk, and it works on both Windows and Mac. Once MeshMixer is installed, open the program and import your dental model. Before we begin, let's adjust one important setting. Go to the File menu and open Preferences. In the View section, enable Free Rotation and then click Done. This allows you to rotate the model freely in all directions using the right mouse button. If you skip this step, the rotation will be limited, and the model will feel like it's stuck on an invisible wheel. Step 1. Blocking out the model. The first step is to block out the model slightly. This prevents the stent from fitting too tightly, making it easier to seat and remove clinically. Click Select on the left toolbar, then press Ctrl-A to select the entire model. The model will turn orange, indicating that it is selected. Next, go to Edit and choose Offset. Enter 0.1 mm for the distance and keep the remaining settings unchanged. This creates a thin 0.1 mm shell over the surface, similar to applying a thin layer of Vaseline. Step 2. Defining the stent area. Now, let's define the area for the stent. First, click Clear Selection to reset the highlighted area. Go to Select again. Use the left mouse button to paint the area where you want the stent to sit. You can rotate the model freely with the right mouse button to view it from different angles while painting. If you make a mistake, hold down the Control key while using the left mouse button. This turns it into an eraser. You can also adjust the brush size as needed. Make sure to fully cover the palatal side. To smooth the boundary, go to the Modify menu and click Smooth Boundary. The original settings are usually smooth enough, so go ahead and click Accept. After confirming the selected area, go to Edit and click Separate. This step creates a new object, which is the tissue surface of the stent. The Object Browser will appear, showing two objects. You can hide unnecessary objects by clicking the eye icon and focus on the one you want to edit. You can also reopen the Object Browser anytime by pressing Ctrl-Shift-O. Next, we add thickness to form the stent body. In Select mode, press Ctrl-A to select the tissue surface. Go to Edit and choose Extrude. Set the offset thickness between 1.5 and 2.5 mm. Set direction to normal, which ensures even thickness perpendicular to the surface. For end type, make sure to choose Offset. Leave the remaining settings as default and click Accept. The newly created surfaces will appear gray, while the original tissue surface remains orange. To smooth the Polish surface, go to the Modify menu and click Invert. This switches the selection from the tissue surface to the polish surface. Now go to Deform and click Smooth. Set the smoothing type to Uniform Triangles. Set the first scroll bar, Smoothing, to 1, and set the last bar, Constraint Rings, to 1. Then, adjust the smoothing scale until the stent looks smooth and well contoured. Then click Accept. At this point, the surgical stent is complete. I usually drill the holes using a round burr after 3D printing. Finally, click Export, save the file as an STL, and it's ready for printing. That's all for today. I hope you find this workflow helpful for your practice.